Ebintu abalirwamu obukadde bw'ensimbi bawereddwa abakyala abaazadde mu ddwaaliro ekkulu e Mulago nga Angellah Katatumba Foundation wamu n'amakampuni ga Spear gatwala mu maaso enteekateeka ya Mulago Yaffe ey'okumanyisa abantu n'okubagazisa eddwaaliro ly'e Mulago. Senkulu wa WBS Kazooba wamu n'omubaka wa Pakistan mu Uganda Katatumba saako Angellah Katatumba kunaga kwogasa n'abakozi ab'enjawulo mu WBS bebakoze omulimu guno. Kisanyudde abakyala abadde mu woodi eno era abamu ne bakuba enduulu ey'oleekereeke.
I thank His Excellency Wapamuno very, very much. And this is the reason why my father and I went to him when we decided to come up with the Mulago initiative, because he's a visionary. He's a person you go and you say, this is a problem on ground. There's a challenge. How do we turn this into a solution? And he always comes up with the best solution. He's just like my father, actually. His Excellency Bosi Karatumba, who's right here, who know how to turn challenges into positives. So I thank them for that. I thank His Excellency Wavamno, who set the ball rolling today with these donations. And I appeal to so many other Ugandans that are seeing these donations. There are so many. We've just displayed a few on the table.
I'm very honored to represent my chairman, Mr. Gordon Wavamno, who asked me to hand over these items on behalf of Spear Group of companies. These items are mainly for the newly borns, and some items for the newly born mothers. Sorry, the new mothers. They are quite varied, but each of these are 24 pieces. We have some baby shawls, baby flannels, baby hooded towels, baby wear, baby girl assorted, baby boy assorted, mother feeding bras, newborn hats, newborn baby side tie sets, and baby sleep suits.
Abaddukanya eddwaaliro basiimye abaawo mu mutwe